I'll see that right now.
Good morning, everybody. We have an 8.5 mile hike today, mostly downhill from Shippensburg Road to Pine Grove Furnace, which is a spot where the half-gallon challenge is. So we will be passing the midway point of the entire Appalachian Trail today. We're expecting to pass a couple signs for that. The general store where you normally do the halfway challenges doesn't open until April 2nd, and it's not our halfway point. We're just doing section hikes, but it's kind of cool to see these spots that we've seen on other people's videos. So yeah, we'll bring some views along the way. So we are 0.6 miles in. Sorry, I'm trying to keep the sun out of the camera. And we've reached the first halfway marker that we expect to see several of on this hike. This one is for 2018. For those of you who don't know, the mileage changes every year due to route alterations. If a part of the trail needed to be rerouted due to damage to the trail, things like that. So every year there's usually some sort of minor mileage differences. So this would have been where the halfway mark was, right by this stream in Pennsylvania, 2018. So onward. Sylvania. Yeah, I don't know if I'd want to camp here or not. I mean, it's flat, but some of these trees look dead. I don't know. I think if it was a calm night, I'd probably do it. Tom's Run Shelter, everybody. Got lots of space here. And the Tom's Run is just down the hill there. You can hear it if you were camping here. Really nice. And that right down there is a hammock area to make it easy for hammockers. Right past Tom's Run Shelter. I think this was the very first halfway marker that was created. Very cool.
I think it was 0.9.
0.9? 0.9 of like rocks, right?
No, 0.6.
0.6 of stuff like that. Yeah, no fun.
Took us 50 minutes.
About an hour to do that because, well, we did get stopped and we talked to a nice gentleman and we stopped and let some people pass us.
Got some rocks out of your shoes.
Got some rocks out of my shoes. Need to get them out of my head. I don't know why we're out here. So, all right, how much further we got?
So the end?
Well, to the next waypoint.
The next waypoint is Tom's Run and it's 0.2.
0.2. I got 0.2 in me.
Yeah.
All right, 0.2, all downhill?
Yep.
Right answer.
On that log.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Here, why don't you go ahead in front of me?
Huh?
Why don't you go in front of me? Let's go back up. Way up there.
His transmitter went off.
Yeah.
Huh.
Appalachian Trail. All right, we are nearing the end of our hike today. This is Pine Grove Road. Our car is down here. This is the trail. You can see a white blaze on the telephone pole. But our car's not too far. There's the Appalachian Trail Museum, and this is the halfway point of the Appalachian Trail. And so typically there's a general store here that people typically stop at and eat a half-gallon of ice cream as a way to celebrate their feat of getting here. We're not doing that. We haven't reached the halfway mark of anything. We're about 300.
What?
We're about 300 miles in, I would say.
Yeah.
On our trek. So, but we're proud of that.
600 more to beat this halfway.
And we are trying to get to Boiling Springs, Pennsylvania. So, keep watching. Made it to the halfway point. Pretty cool. Too bad they're not open. We get some ice cream.